As COVID-19 restrictions lift, the risk of getting the disease is still too high for some Northeast Ohioans. One Eastlake woman says a breakthrough treatment could change that, but it's been difficult to find. News 5's Catherine Ross explains how this new drug works and the challenges patients are facing getting their hands on it.
When Darlene Teachout finally got the call from the Cleveland Clinic that she would receive a kidney transplant, it felt like a new lease on life.
I watched my father die from this disease, and I know what it's like.
The surgery was successful, but the transplant made her susceptible to infection and forced her to limit contact with everyone outside her home.
My 3-year-old granddaughter would just sob when I would talk to her on the phone, saying that she thought I would never be able to hug her again. It was really hard.
The Eastlake resident is among the roughly 7 million Americans considered immunocompromised. The group is at a higher risk for serious cases of COVID-19, and their immune systems are less responsive to the vaccine. But patients like Teachout hope a therapeutic drug called Evusheld will help give them a shot at normalcy. The problem, it's been hard to track down.
For us, without Evusheld, there is no social freedom. There's just more risk.
It's a combination of 2 monoclonal antibodies given in 2 consecutive shots that helps prevent coronavirus infection. A little more than 1 million courses have been distributed throughout the U.S. in monthly shipments since it was authorized in December. In Ohio, providers like the Cleveland Clinic say they have a limited supply for vulnerable patients who qualify. An interactive HHS map says fewer than 4,000 courses are available in Northeast Ohio. Teachout says providers are prioritizing their own patients first, and her provider tells her there are others in line ahead of her.
More now than ever, we need that protection because now variants are more transmissible. They're lifting mask restrictions. The world is opening up to those who have been vaccinated, but immune-compromised people don't have the antibodies to fight the COVID.
According to HHS, another 7,000 courses of Evusheld was shipped to Ohio this week. The drug must be prescribed by a doctor. In Cleveland, Catherine Ross, News 5.